Hello YouTube, Expat in here, and today we come with unboxing of the Steinhart Ocean 39 Green Ceramic. Package just arrived literally 15 minutes ago, and yeah, just came in this paper box. They sent over a really nice pen, and I bought this watch for my birthday, and let me see if I can focus here. There you go. I let them know that it was for my birthday, so I guess that's probably why they included that. Had to call them on the phone because ended up placing my order twice. But as you can see here, that's a really nice looking pen with Steinhart signature there. Oh, there you go. Wow, I'm impressed. Anyway, first let's just do a quick wrist check. I'm waiting my SKX009, and this is actually the version made in Japan. I bought this watch in Osaka while I was on vacation in Japan just here. So as you can see here, it comes with a really good protection. Let me just get this done. Okay, just fast forward that part. I guess this is my, yep, this is just my bill with all the information. Just put that in here. Now let's have a look. Okay, it's a really nice box. We have some instructional manual. Looks like Roxana was packing this one. As you can see here, it's the Ocean 39 Green Ceramic. Has either the ETA 2824 or the Seiko SW200. Right. I guess there's just some information how you configure your watch. Let's move on. I've seen this, you have seen this probably. You don't have to remove your plastics that come in the watch if you don't want to keep the watch. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing, so we're not going to remove those right now. I'm going to be doing a review afterwards, and I'm going to upload that video later. So box, this looks really good. It's I will say fake leather for sure, but yeah, it's a good looking box. Yeah, it's a small pin here to keep it safe, and let's have a look at it. And there you go. Wow, this actually looks really small. Oh, wow. That's a good looking watch. Oh, it's already running. It is a good looking watch. Look at that. You have the Steinhart logo over there. Ocean 39 green bezel. Wow. See how smooth that is, right? If you put them together here, you see sort of like a size comparison. The Seiko, I mean, in my point of view, the Seiko looks, it does looks much bigger. Okay, we're gonna put this aside here for a moment. I don't think there's anything else here. So there you have it. I don't know if I can. I'll go ahead and remove this Seiko first. Let's see if I can make it through. Oh, I think I can. For the record, I have a 16.5 centimeters wrist. Oh wow, it does look really nice. Yeah. I think this will definitely be a keeper. I had a really long research I made to decide whether I'll go for the 42mm or for the small 39mm version. I decided to go for the 39. It does fit really well. I must say this is probably the smallest watch that I will have. But yeah, I'll go ahead and remove some of the links. It does look really thin. I mean, compared to what I'm used to. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is of course 22mm, and for the Seiko